How to cleanse your lymphatic system, expert tips for optimal health. Did you know your body has a secret cleaning system that works tirelessly while you sleep? Discover the incredible working of the lymphatic system and its lesser-known sibling, the glymphatic system, found in your head. Find out how to supercharge this natural detox mechanism with a combination of herbal remedies, amongst many other naturally proven methods. Watch till the end for a health revelation like never before. What is it? The lymphatic system is an intricate web of vessels and organs that silently work to cleanse and protect our bodies. As part of the immune system, this often overlooked system plays a very fundamental role in fending off infections and disease. Picture a complex network of lymph vessels, carrying a colorless fluid suspending white blood cells and vital proteins. The lymph nodes, those small, bean-shaped organs, act as guardians, filtering out toxins and foreign invaders from the fluid. The main functions of the lymphatic system include maintaining fluid balance. The lymphatic system helps to drain excess fluid from tissues and return it to the bloodstream. This helps to prevent swelling and fluid buildup. Fighting infection. The lymphatic system helps to fight infection by producing white blood cells and antibodies. These cells and antibodies help to destroy bacteria, viruses, and other foreign invaders. Absorbing fats. The lymphatic system helps to absorb fats from the digestive tract and transport them to the bloodstream. Removing waste products. The lymphatic system helps to remove waste products from the body, such as dead cells and bacteria. Maintaining a healthy lymphatic system is key for healthy circulation. A clogged system can lead to inflammation, fatigue, and even unwanted weight gain. Surprisingly, the connection between the lymphatic system and our digestive health is profound. The small intestine aids in absorbing fats, which then find their way to the lymph nodes for processing. Therefore, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, abundant in fiber, becomes vital to support both our digestive and lymphatic health. Glymphatic system. Another very crucial branch of the lymphatic system is the glymphatic system, a recent discovery that is as important for brain health and function. Derived from the Greek word glykos for sweet, this system employs glucose to aid in clearing waste products from the brain. Remarkably, the glymphatic system is most active during sleep, emphasizing the importance of quality rest for its optimal functioning. However, various factors can disturb the normal working of the glymphatic system, including inflammation, sleep deprivation, and aging, potentially contributing to the development of neurodegenerative diseases. So why is sleep important for the glymphatic system? Sleep increases the production of CSF. CSF is the fluid that surrounds the brain and spinal cord. It is thought to help the glymphatic system by helping to flush out waste products from the brain. Sleep increases the permeability of the blood-brain barrier. The blood-brain barrier is a layer of cells that protects the brain from harmful substances in the blood. During sleep, the blood-brain barrier becomes more permeable, which allows for more waste products to be removed from the brain. Sleep reduces inflammation. Inflammation can damage the glymphatic system and make it difficult for it to remove waste products from the brain. Sleep has been shown to reduce inflammation, which can help to protect the glymphatic system. If you are gaining insight so far, please smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Next, keeping this system clean. Like any system in the body, the lymph needs to be detoxified for ample functioning. How to clean the lymphatic system? In the pursuit of a thriving lymphatic system, preparing the body is necessary, and a crucial first step is prioritizing colon cleansing. A well-functioning colon sets the stage for efficient waste removal, promoting a healthier lymphatic flow. Various methods for colon cleansing include dietary changes. Making dietary changes, such as increasing the intake of fiber and fluids, can help to keep the colon healthy and functioning properly. Colon hydrotherapy. Colon hydrotherapy is a procedure that involves flushing the colon with water. This can help to remove waste products and toxins from the colon. Moving forward, the kidney also needs to be in good health for proper lymph cleansing to take place. The kidney is important in filtering and purifying the blood, which directly influences lymphatic health. There are a number of techniques for kidney cleansing. Some of the most common techniques include drinking plenty of fluids. Drinking plenty of fluids helps to flush out toxins from the kidneys. Eating a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet that is low in processed foods and high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help to keep the kidneys healthy. Using herbs. There are a number of herbs and that can help to cleanse the kidneys, such as dandelion root, juniper berries, and nettle leaf. Lymphatic system cleaning with herbs. There are a number of herbal remedies that are helpful for lymphatic system cleansing. Some of the most common herbs include 1. Gallium aperine. Gallium aperine, also known as cleavers, is a common weed that is found in many parts of the world. It has a long history of medicinal use, amongst them being its ability to cleanse the lymphatic system. Cleavers contains a number of compounds that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory, diuretic, and immune-boosting properties. Cleavers is thought to work by stimulating the production of lymph, helps to flush out toxins and waste products from the body. Cleavers also helps to improve the flow of lymph through the lymphatic vessels, which helps to prevent stagnation and congestion. Cleavers also contains compounds called coumarins, which have diuretic properties. This means that they help to increase the production of urine, which can help to flush out toxins and waste products from the body. It has been shown to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are important for the immune system. This helps to protect the body from infection and disease. 2. Calendula officinalis. Calendula officinalis cleanses the lymphatic system through its different properties. 1 is a lymphagogue. This means that it helps to move lymph fluid through the body. When lymph fluid is not moving properly, it can lead to stagnation and congestion, which can make it difficult for the body to detoxify. Calendula helps to keep lymph fluid flowing smoothly, which helps to promote detoxification. As an astringent, meaning it helps to tighten and tone tissues. The lymphatic system is made up of a network of vessels and nodes. Calendula can help to tighten and tone these tissues, which can help to improve lymphatic drainage. Calendula can be used topically to help heal wounds and infections on the skin. This can help to reduce inflammation and improve lymphatic drainage in the affected area. 3. Scrofularia nodosa. Scrofularia nodosa, also known as figwort, is a flowering plant that has been used medicinally for centuries. It is a member of the figwort family, Scrofulariaceae, and is native to Europe, Asia, and North America. Figwort contains a number of compounds that have been shown to have beneficial effects on the lymphatic system. Figwort works to cleanse the lymphatic system by promoting lymphatic drainage. The mucilage in figwort helps to lubricate the lymphatic vessels and make it easier for lymph to flow. This helps to remove toxins and waste products from the body. Increasing circulation. The saponins in figwort have anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. This can help to improve circulation and reduce inflammation, which improves the function of the lymphatic system. 4. Echinacea. Echinacea is a flowering plant that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It is a well-known immune booster, but it can also be helpful for lymphatic cleansing. There is some scientific evidence to support the use of echinacea for lymphatic cleansing. A study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research found that echinacea extract was effective in reducing inflammation and improving lymphatic flow in mice. Another study, published in the journal Immunology Letters, found that echinacea extract could help to boost the production of white blood cells. There are a few different ways to use ginger for lymphatic cleansing. One way is to make a ginger tea. To do this, simply steep a piece of ginger root in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Other ways to cleanse the lymphatic system, of which include trampoline jumping. Trampoline jumping is a great way to get your lymphatic system moving. The bouncing motion helps to massage the lymph nodes and move lymph fluid through the system. Dry brushing. Dry brushing is a type of massage that helps to stimulate the lymphatic system. Using a dry brush, brush your skin in long, upward strokes towards the heart. Exercise. Exercise is a great way to keep the lymphatic system healthy. Any type of exercise that gets your heart rate up will help to move lymph fluid through the system. Massage. Massage can help to stimulate the lymphatic system and move lymph fluid through the body. Manage stress. Stress can have a negative impact on lymphatic health. Finding ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature, can help to keep the lymphatic system healthy. Also, drink a lot of water and herbal tea. Conclusion: want more insights on optimizing your health? Subscribe to our YouTube channel now so you don't miss out on any nutrition news.